NFTs have been on a roll for the last 30 days with some rising by more than 400%, and we on our channel have been on a journey to identify the top NFT projects for you to invest right now. So on this journey today, we have landed on another NFT project which is called the NBA Top Shot. So in this video, we are going to understand what exactly is the NBA Top Shot NFT, how we can own it, what is the utility, and how big is the community. So stay tuned to this video and find out more details about the NBA Top Shot NFT collection and its benefits. Hello friends, welcome to Crypto Bulls Club. My name is Soham and every day on this channel I show you how you can make money in crypto. If you like money and crypto, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Also don't forget to join us on Telegram wherein we discuss everything related to crypto and NFTs for absolutely free of cost. So guys, without further delay, let's jump on straight into the NBA Top Shot NFT. So first let's understand what exactly is the NBA Top Shot NFT all about. So the NBA Top Shot is going to auction the NBA All-Star VIP Pass NFTs. This is extremely crucial. So what are the details that we can find on the website? So the NBA and the NBA Top Shot are partnering up to create groundbreaking one-of-one NFTs for each of the league's 30 teams. So there are 30 teams in the NBA, if you do not know that already. So it is designed for the ultimate fans. These NFTs provide the owners with unprecedented VIP access to the next 5 NBA All-Stars starting 2023. This is extremely critical and huge utility. What are the ownership parts or the utilities? So the NBA All-Star game, so 2 lower bowl tickets will be distributed as an NFT here. So the All-Star game, the Clorox Rising Stars game, the All-Star practice, the celebrity game right here. Then there will be 2 lower bowl tickets for the State Farm All-Star Saturday night, wherein you will get to AT&T Slam Dunk contest, then the Taco Bell Skills Challenge, and if we further go right here, you'll have meet and greet options wherein you'll get opportunities to shoot around with an NBA legend, guys, on the All-Star court, and this is phenomenal, right? You get up close and personal with the NBA legends right there. There will be exclusive merchandise and VIP merchandise bag and an NBA All-Star jersey given away. Also, there will be a behind the scenes wherein you will get inside access to All-Star planning, personalized All-Star itinerary with VIP support, and of course on-court photographs with your favorite stars and Top Shot surprises that would be given away by the NBA Top Shot. So the utility is phenomenal, guys. Okay, there are a lot of things that you can do by owning these NFTs. Now, how many NFTs are they selling off? They are selling off 30 NFTs, right? 30 team NFTs, as you can see right here. They have listed all the 30 NFTs right here. Los Angeles Lakers, LA Clippers. So all the teams have been mentioned right here. And if we go to one of these NFTs, let's say we go to the Los Angeles Lakers NFTs, you will find that the starting bid is from $10,000. Yes, guys, $10,000 will give you access to all the utilities that we just discussed and over a period of 5 years. That is phenomenal. And when will this bidding start? This bidding will start on the 23rd or the 24th, depending on wherever you are. So on the 24th, if you are in India, it will start on 24th of February at 6:30 a.m. Depending on your time slot, you can look at this website. I will pin this website in the description below. So this has huge benefit, guys, right? The utility is phenomenal. If I have to talk about the NBA Top Shot on social media, then on Twitter they have followers of more than 280,000, guys, right? It is phenomenal. It is being owned by the Top Shot and they have partnered with the NBA, the WNBA, and so on. And on Discord they have about 250,000 odd followers as well. So there is no question of genuinity, and this is 100% real as well. So if you are a big NBA fan, this NFT collection is a must have for you guys. So for me personally, this Top Shot NFT is acting as a gateway, right guys? So if you are in India, we may soon see NFTs coming out from the IPL, you may soon see NFTs coming out from the EPL, from Major League Baseball, from NFL, and so on and so forth. So this has opened the doors for all the sporting NFTs that are there, right? And this is not the first time that the Top Shots are gearing up for the NFT collections. Earlier they had given some NFTs as well, right? So I personally feel this NFT is gonna be extremely big, and it's gonna be amazingly popular among the fans of the NBAs and for people who are following basketball and who want to get up close and personal with the stars. This is a huge opportunity for you and your family to dive deeper into the NBA universe and find out more about your stars thanks to this NFT collection. So if you like these kind of content, stay tuned to our channel and hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon. Also, do not forget to join us on Telegram, and also guys, do not forget to join us on Twitter as well, because Twitter is the place where we keep you up to date from all the real-time happenings. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourselves. Bye bye for now.